day 2. You know, hopefully there's some nice hard bits we can get our teeth into.
Graham won yesterday, he's first rider out, I'm second. First bit, we'll see how tricky it is. I guess we're going hopping into the Grand Canyon. I have no idea what to expect, but after yesterday, I'm sure it's probably gonna be pretty difficult. Probably the scariest bridge I've ever done in my life. It looks like it's been there for 100 years, and it was the slipperiest thing I've ever ridden.
Old Graham was really struggling a bit. I caught up to him at this point, and he was like, oh, because he's scared of heights, so.
What? The guys behind are closing the gap, so, you know, I'm gonna have to pull my finger out this afternoon.
You know, it picked up my race a lot in that second half. I pushed through and gained time on Graham, so, you know, to be here battling with Graham, it was like one of my idols, is pretty awesome. So, you know, I'd hopefully get that top step. What's up, YouTube? Cody Webb here. Subscribe to Red Bull for more videos and click here for more action on Red Bull TV.